Fall may have finally left us, and winter came knocking on the door this morning. The evidence was the frigid 26 degrees outside, the frost on the ground, and the lifeless twigs left behind in the garden. It was clear to me that it was time for our first of the season fire in the wood stove. We needed to warm the crisp air inside. While releasing all of the animals from their overnight slumber, it became evident that they all needed a bit more bedding to keep them warm during the future low temps, so I gathered some hay. The garden has finally decided enough is enough and will go to sleep now until the new season begins and the warm spring brings life back to all that needed to rest. Life and death in the garden is bittersweet. I know new birth will bring joy to my heart when the new seeds have sprouted, saying hello to a new spring. Not all was lost in the garden, however. The broccoli will rejoice from the cooler temps. The kiss of frost will sweeten the collards. The cabbage will burst with growth, and the dianthus will flourish and flower all winter as it has for many years in a row. As I came back inside to toast my toes by the fire, I began to think what a great day to have some warm soup, some comfort food, for our first day of actually being cold. My mind immediately went for homemade chicken and rice. Hot broth was just what we needed. By 11 a.m., I was building a delicious pot of ingredients, anticipating that first spoonful. I knew a slow simmer all day will make a bowl of perfection. It's amazing how a good bowl of soup on a cold day feels like food for the soul. And yes, it was delicious.